Welcome back class 7. Today we will solve exercise 13.5. In this exercise we will discuss or solve the question about the circle and its area. So firstly, what is the formula for circle and area of circle? So this is the formula for area of circle. The area of circle equal to pi r square, right? And radius, if we have to find out, this is the formula for radius. And if we know the d, and here what is the d? D is diameter. Then we will find radius like this. Clear? Now here, as you can see here, it is 13.5. Find the area of circle whose radius is this. So radius is given. Firstly, I have wrote question first. It's A. We will write 10 upon 5 centimeter. And here it is R. R for radius. So we write like this. After that, we have to find out the area of circle. So we will write here a formula. Area of circle equal to pi r square. Clear? After that, we will write pi as it is. And what is the value of 10.5 square? Now here, and the value of pi, see carefully and learn it also. The value of pi 22 upon 7. Clear? So learn this and put this value here. 22 by 5 and write this 2 times. 10.5 multiply 10.5. After that, see carefully, it is decimal is here. Remove decimal and increase 10 here. After that, we know the table of 7. 7 ones are 7 or 7 tens are 70. Here 7 ones are 7. Remaining 3, it became 35. 7 fives are 35. Now here remaining 5 twos are 10 and 5 threes are 15. After that 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 elevens are 22. After that, multiply these numbers to each other. I will write 11 as it is firstly. After that, 3 fives are 15. Carry 1. 3 when we multiply 3 with 0, we got 0. And 1 and 0, it is 1. 3 ones are 3. Clear? Here, decimal after 1 digit. So, put decimal here after 1 digit. And multiply this number. After that, we will multiply 11 to this. 11 fives are 15. Carry 1. Carry 5. 11 ones are 11. And 5, 16. Again carry 1. 11 threes are 33. 33 and 1, 34. Clear? Here decimal after 1 digit. So I have put here decimal also. And here it is given in centimeter. So we'll write here centimeter square. Same as you will solve B, C and D in your homework. Now question number 2. Find the area. Area is about to find and whose diameter? Diameter is given here. Diameter is given here. Diameter is this given. So we will find out. It 56 is diameter given. So firstly write here. Second, D for diameter is given 56 centimeter. As I have told you, the formula is here, see carefully, I have written here D equal to 2R. It means R equal to D upon 2. So we will use this formula. Clear? After that, R equal to D upon 2. Here D is 56. 56 upon 2. So answer will be 2 and 8 centimeter. 28 centimeter is radius. Radius find out कर लिया हमने. 28 centimeter radius हो गई हमारी. Now area of circle, we have to know that area of circle formula we know that pi r square. So put the value in this. Here we will write area of circle. So pi we know that 22 upon 7 and r is given 28 square. So after opening this, 22 7 upon 28 multiply with 28. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. So we will multiply here. 4 eights are 32, 2 is here, 3 is carry, 4 twos are 8 and 3 11. After that here 22. Now multiply this number. After multiplying these numbers, we got here 2464, and this is in centimeter square, and this is the answer. Clear? I hope you get the point. After that, same as we will solve V, C and D. Find the diameter of circle whose circumference is given. Now here circumference is given. So what is the formula for circumference of circle? So for circumference of circle, this is the formula, 2 pi r. So note down this in your book. Clear? It is the formula for circumference. Okay. Now here circumference is given 63.8 meter. 63.8 centimeter is given circumference. So firstly write circumference. Circumference of circle is given 63.8 centimeter. It is the question number 3rd, and we have to know that D. And what is the D? D is 2r. So basically we need to know 2r, and the formula is this. So simply we will write here circumference equal to 2 pi r. So we can write here circumference value is given here 63.8 meter, and here 2 write as it as, r write as it as, and pi. What is the value of pi? 22/7. Clear? This is the, now simply write here 63.8, and it came in division like this, and 7 came in multiplication, and we will write here 2r as it is. Clear? Now we know that the table of 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 fives are 55, remaining 8, 8 and 8 88, 11 eights are 88. Clear? And after that point remain as it is. We will write here 5.8 upon 2 multiply with 7, here 2r. Now see again carefully. We will remove this decimal and increase 1 0 here like this. It became 20. Now we know that 2 tens are 20 and 2 ones are 2, remaining 1, it became 18. 2 nines are 18, and we know that 19 sevens are, here it became 97 are 133 upon 10, and here 2r. After dividing by 10, we got here 2r equal to 13.3. Clear? And it came in meter. So what is the 2r basically? 2r basically D. It's mean diameter. So we will write here D in place of 2r. Clear? And it became 13.3 meter. And this will be our answer. Sorry, it's by mistake it became here 2, because 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4 came here, and remaining 1, and it became 18, and you know that 2 nines are 18. Okay, so here it came 29, and we multiply 29 with 7. Here we get 203. Clear? So after that we will get here answer. Okay, so it is came in meter. It is came in meter. For turning it centimeter, we will multiply with 100. So after multiplying with 100, this will be shift like this. So here it is our answer. Clear? There is no need to change this in centimeter. Clear? आंसर शीट देके कंफ्यूज मत होना, ठीक है। आंसर विल बी 20.3 मिलीमीटर, ओके, सॉरी 20.3 मीटर, मिलीमीटर नहीं होगा, मीटर होगा। एंड आंसर शीट देके आप लोग कंफ्यूज ना हो, आंसर विल बी 20.3 मीटर। Now here question number 4, the diameter of wheel, diameter is given 70 सेंटीमीटर। सो आर कितना हो जाएगा, 35 हो जाएगा आर हमारा, ओके, क्योंकि वी नो दैट d इक्वल टू 2r, सो r इक्वल टू d/2, और जब हम इसे 2 से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर वो डिवाइड करेंगे वी गॉट 35 सेंटीमीटर, तो ये हमारी क्या हो जाएगी, r हो जाएगी। हाउ फॉर विल इट गो इन 250 रिवोल्यूशन, सो फॉर दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट सर्कमफ्रेंस, सर्कमफ्रेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे, ओके। तो आप लोग सर्कमफ्रेंस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या फॉर्मूला होता है हमारा, 2πr, पाई की वैल्यू 22/7 एंड इसकी वैल्यू आप वहाँ पुट ऑन कर देंगे, तो जो भी वैल्यू आएगी उस वैल्यू से इस नंबर को आपको डिवाइड करना है एंड यू विल, सॉरी, इस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर। सो डू दिस इन योर होमवर्क। फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड पोर्शन इन द गिवन फिगर। Now here question number 5, find the area of the shaded portion in given। So आपको shaded portion दिया नहीं, मैं बता दे रही हूँ, ये वाला पोर्शन जो होगा वो shaded होगा, क्लियर। एंड यहाँ तक जो डिस्टेंस है इट इज 6 सेंटीमीटर, और ये जो नीचे डिस्टेंस रखी है इट इज 8 सेंटीमीटर। सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट, सो फर्स्टली वी विल राइट हियर R1 फॉर दिस 6 सेंटीमीटर एंड हियर R2 इक्वल टू 8 सेंटीमीटर, क्लियर। हम लोगों को आइडिया पूछा जाएगा, तो रिक्वायर्ड एरिया की कंडीशन क्या है, फर्स्टली तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग, पूरे एरिया का क्या कर लेंगे, पूरे जो भी है उसका एरिया निकालेंगे। सो फर्स्टली फुल एरिया जो होगा वो हो जाएगा पाई आर स्क्वायर, R2 का स्क्वायर कर लेंगे, ओके। नाउ अब ये जो अनशेडेड पोर्शन है इसका हो जाएगा हमारा पाई R1 स्क्वायर, क्लियर। सो ये हमारा फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा, पाई हमारा दोनों में है, हम लोग कॉमन ले लेंगे, इट इज बिकेम R2 स्क्वायर माइनस R1 स्क्वायर, क्लियर। नाउ वैल्यू पुट ऑन कर देंगे, पाई की वैल्यू होती है 22/7, R2 इज वैल्यू इज 8 स्क्वायर, here 6 स्क्वायर। नाउ 22 remain as it as, 7 remain as it at, 8 8 is 64 and here 3 3 is 6 6 is 36. After subtraction what will we get, 14 minus 6 equal to 8 and 5 minus 3 equal to 2 and here 22 is remaining as it is and 7 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is, now we will multiply 88, so required area will be 88 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, क्लियर। तो जो हमारा ये वाला एरिया है दिस विल बी 88 मीटर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। सो यू विल सॉल्व गिवन क्वेश्चन इन योर notebook and send me pic of your homework. Thank you.